Hi, IAACE members. This is your president, Katie Walton, coming to you with the May President's Message. I need just about a minute of your time because adult education is under serious threat. As shared during the statewide call this week, Title II adult education funding was completely eliminated in the president's skinny budget. That's right, it was zeroed out. But we've been here before and we've come together, raised our voices, and made change happen. Indiana has one of the top performing adult education states where our measurable skills gains are well above the national average. That's something to be proud of and something our federal legislators need to hear. We need your help and we need it this week. Time is of the essence. We're asking for all our members to take just a few minutes to complete COABE's Voter Voice Action. You can find the link on the COABE website, IAACE newsletter, my written president's message, multiple locations for you to find it. You just need to enter your personal information and it will generate a pre-written message to your specific legislators. One note though, if you try to click the link for the letter that it's going to send to the legislators, you will not be able to access it because you have to have a congressional login. It's just completely normal. Nothing's wrong with the link. We know advocacy can feel intimidating. Just like for me, I'm overwhelmed right now, but we've made it easy and straightforward as possible, I hope. Everyone can do this. Share it with your friends, family, and colleagues too. And if you want to take your advocacy efforts further, go and contact an IAACE board member or your program director and ask how you can help. We know adult education works. It strengthens the workforce, lifts families, and empowers communities. Now it's time to make sure our voices are heard before it's too late. Thank you.